Everybody, okay, sorry for yesterday because the SD card was full of memory and like it kind of gave up with vlogging. So we're now waiting for our Uber driver, and we're gonna go to DFO South Wharf, do some shopping, and then later we're gonna go to Target. So yeah, so it's a nice day. Like the temperature is just nice. This is all the electric stuff. Okay, want to explain why you feel like you're walking weirdly?
Because we went horse riding and I felt like I got smacked by a very enthusiastic.
Okay, so basically we went horseback riding yesterday. Then her horse is very antisocial.
Yeah.
Always at one corner. Then my horse is, her horse name is Ruben. My horse's name is Dolly. And my horse is a female. And it is a very competitive horse. So every time like it sees that it's not the first horse, it will just speed up. And it's so annoying because it's like mood swings. Like out of nowhere, it'll just speed up. And then at one point my phone in the pocket fell, so I told the leader of the group, like the guy who was in charge of the place, I told him that I dropped my phone, and he went to go and find it for me.
How does that not hurt? You just get down. How does that?
Because the pain is concentrated here, like in my fingers, so I can't feel the pain in my thighs. So yeah, I got a few cuts, like these battle scars.
Every time I sit down, it feels like somebody smacked my ass in one spot.
So yeah, I got these cuts because I had to hold the saddle, and then like I thought like my horse would just charge, and then like I'll grip, and then it'll just cut my fingers. Yeah, so I dropped my phone, and then my horse turned, and then realized it's like the last one, so he just started like cantering. It's called cantering, all the way to the front.
Cantering is like faster than trotting.
It's like a sprint for horses. So trotting is like a jog for So yeah, it like sprinted all the way, and like I didn't even know how to canter. So hello, hey girl. So yeah, that's the story of yesterday. It was a really like it was a really fulfilling experience. We regretted it halfway.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Towards the end, we're like, you know what? It was fine. Like it's enough of horseback riding for the rest of our life.
Yeah.
It's
just like that full body workout though.
It's a full body workout.
I might go back again just for that, you know. Like
really?
Horse ride.
Like if you don't work out for.
I about it a lot yesterday. Like if I had to go again, I would because of like the exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like we worked out our thighs because we had to like push ourselves up.
Yeah.
And stand. So that's why. Then our core muscle, we had to like sit up straight.
Yeah, my shoulders and arms are like hurting because I was so tensed up like that.
Yeah, we had to tense our muscles and like pull the. What's it called? The reins. Yeah, we had to pull it to show which direction and everything. Yeah.
But like, I want to go again.
Yeah, you want to go again, but you don't want to suffer. You know what I mean? Yeah. So today is just plain shopping. To rest. Tomorrow we'll go Mount Buller. So yeah, yesterday was very eventful, and then we went to eat at a Thai place.
Yeah, that was
really
good.
nice. Like it's nice to eat like green curry, drink Thai iced tea.
Oh my god, yeah.
What else? We ate Thai tom yum, fish. Yeah, it was just good.
It was good. We went to Dosa Villa.
We went to Dosa Villas. And we took really nice photos of our OTD. Yeah, now we're gonna go to the basement to start shopping. Are we, Mimi? We're at factory. We're at factory, and it's like, look, nothing over 15. It's all nothing over 10. Like crazy. So there's nothing at factory for us because everything is cropped or there's not a size.
Oh, it's too hot to wear.
It's too hot to wear. So now we're at Clark.
Hey,
Papa.
you got mana?
Mama's inside. Where do you go? Oh, sit down. Sit down. Chai bowl. Just looking at random stuff. Oh my god, it's $10. Me. So I'm going to describe my outfit today. It's minimalist shirt from I don't know where. Kmart jeans, Kmart boots, and ASOS denim jacket.
I want to look like I have a sugar daddy. So this one was Cotton On and it's $15.
$15.
And I got these jeans from Uniqlo. It's about like $30. And the shoes are like $15 as well from Kmart.
And your
Boots
bag?
are from Diana.
And our bags?
What's the bag?
$20 each from Kmart.
Yeah.
Mimi, how much do you spend?
I spent 76.
Where? Is this shop called Valley Gold? So yeah, Mimi bought like
Yes, I am a very good.
6 pairs of clothes.
So Diana's busy again. I'm vlogging now, I guess. She just spent $70 at Champion. Every shop has sales going on right now and it's such a nightmare.
Ini stretchable lah. Papa, what are you searching for?
Place to sit.
They have. Go and join my father. Are you satisfied with your shopping?
Yeah. But I still need to get things from Target.
What do you have in mind?
Pants. What else?
Like cheap ones, right?
Yeah.
Target. I'm gonna get like my makeup. I'm gonna get to top up my foundation. Mine's finishing. Hopefully I'll get like brushes or something. So yeah, it's a really nice day today. I just right now cool. Look at our shopping. Oh my god. Hey everyone! We're going to Target. No, actually we're going to have lunch. We'll just let out our shopping stuffs at our apartment. And then now we're going to eat because it's 4:30 and like in an hour the sun's going to set. And we're going to eat and then we're going to go to Target. Oh, it's cold, Currently, it's 12 degrees. They told us to walk first, right? So yeah, walk first. We lead that way. Oh my goodness. Can you hold that?
No, you knew that way.
That way.
That way.
But my mama told me that way. Oh, my photo here nice. Actually, I should hold it like more further out. Not like macam ini. So cool. I can't feel my nose. I can't feel my hands. And like my pockets are really small. I don't even have pockets here. There? That way?
That way?
That way. It's so cold! I can't feel my nose, guys. You can tell from my hair that the wind is strong. Papa, you cold? Cold? Hey guys, we're at the city center. So this is it. So many shops. see Target. It's over there. You excited? Okay. We are recharged. We ate lunch, but I didn't record the food cause like hungry and we wanted to rush, so we can make it to Target, which is like right in front. Very excited for Target. Cheap stuff. Cheap, good. Okay guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we're here. This girl is buying nail polish. Cry.
Yeah, I got a lot of nail polish shit.
Like half my items. Well, actually, I bought one item that's not for myself. But yeah. Everybody.
Hey.
It's like 7 p.m.
It's completely down.
It's so dark and almost all the shops are like closed.
Everybody is going home or is already home.
Yeah. And like, pretty cold. Maybe not as cold as just now when we came because it was so windy.
Yeah.
Where are we? It's still cold, yeah. I wonder, I should count how many times I say cold in the vlog and then do like a count.
A cold count.
So, we are walking back to our apartment with our Target bags and groceries. So we're going to do a haul later, right?
Yeah, we are.
We're going to do a haul of our buys at Valley Girl at the DFO just now, and our Target.
Yeah.
Target.
Oh my god, I spent so much.
Yeah, we have like 3 days left to spend after
Yeah.
this. Getting so cold, guys. And today's a pretty short day. Like we started our day very late.
Yeah, we started like 12.
At 12, yeah. So we had 6 hours to go to 2 shops, to 2 different shopping areas. So yeah. Okay, hi everyone. We're gonna do a haul for today. So we start with Valley Girl, right?
Yeah.
We went to factory outlet. I'm looking at 2 different cameras right now. Yeah. We went to the direct factory outlet at South Wharf. Now the first shop we went to is called Valley Girl, and I bought this jumpsuit. Wait.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
It's $30 for a jumpsuit.
Yeah. It's nice though.
Yeah, it makes me look tall.
So I thought I'd see where it is.
Yeah, so it's $30.
Yeah.
Yeah, she
I
bought a
also
lot.
got this simple shirt, thin material with buttons. It's so nice, it's so comfortable. And all of it's like about $10 each. Yeah. And then I got this shirt. It's not really.
This one really looks good on her. Like I swear.
Yeah, but like I don't normally wear this kinds of clothes.
Yeah, but it looks so good on her. Like I wish I could wear this kind of thing. But
Like I don't. Yeah, I don't know. I can't wait to try it on though. It looks cute.
Yeah.
Then I also got this shirt. I don't own any green clothes. I own like 0 green clothes right now. It has like a bee on it. It's so cute. Yeah. Yeah, I just bought it because it was a bee. Then I got this shirt. Simple shirt, but I really like the detail of like the sleeves. Yeah, I thought it was just cute. It's like $10, so like this skirt, which is like $20. It's the most expensive item at Valley Girl that I bought.
It's the most expensive, but it's so nice.
Yeah, it's so
like,
pretty. Like the material is like so high quality.
So total she spent like 76 on 6 items.
It's so cute.
5 items or 6 items?
6.
6 items, 76.
Yeah, that's not bad, man.
So this DFO outlet has like really cheap items there because it's the factory outlet. And they're all almost on sale. So I went to Champion and I got this sweater. I got 2. Okay, one sweater is about $60. I got 2 and I paid $76. So it was a steal. So I got another sweater for Hazik. So yeah. I went to factory because my friend wanted to kirim a Fila shirt. This is for Shamin, $10. And then when I went to factory to buy something for Shamin, I realized I wanted one Fila shirt for myself. So I bought this for $10. It's so retro. Like, I love the stripe detail. So yeah, I know most of you were like shocked to see Fila in factory because yeah, they collaborated also. Yeah. So
That's a nice shirt.
right. Yeah. So that's our haul for the DFO. Then we went back to the apartment and then we went to Target. So she bought more stuff at Target compared to me. So
bunch of nail polishes. It's like 5 of them and they're all from like different places. I'm so excited
like
to wear
Rimmel.
them. Yeah,
and
Essence.
Yeah.
I don't actually know
very
what brands
very
I got.
cheap also at Target.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I also got nail polish remover so I can finally remove this piece of
She's-
nail polish.
Yeah, she had this nail polish since
Yeah.
like the beginning of the trip.
Oh my god.
The
I
day
finally,
before.
I had to use sanitizer to take everything off. It was like the dumbest
Can
shit
you
I ever did.
imagine the whole night she was like scraping?
Yes, yeah. I got a jumbo eye pencil. I've always wanted to get one. And then like, I also got fishnets.
Yeah,
Oh
for
my
her
God.
ripped jeans.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear them with like under ripped jeans. I got a hat.
Because she's going to Bintan like 12 hours after we land in Singapore.
Yeah, oh my god.
So she's
What the hell?
going for, yeah, she bought this for her
I
Bintan
look
trip.
cute though. And I got this plain white shirt for $10. Yeah. And then last I got these shorts.
How
like,
much?
$10. It is so cute and
Oh my
it's
God, that is
stretchy
so-
and I'm gonna wear it with the hat and the shirt that I bought.
Yeah. So how much did you spend?
A lot. I spent
About
like $90
90 plus.
at like Target. My Target bitch.
I got, actually this one for Kak Sheila, but I think need to exchange. And then this one for me, the marble bed sheet. Then I got this really nice tribal skirt, which is $20.
$20.
And then this mask that we're gonna try. It's a clay mask.
Yeah, we're gonna try later.
Yeah, it's a Seventh Heaven charcoal mask that removes oil and impurity. So we're gonna try it tonight and we'll let you know how it goes. Okay. Hi everybody. Goodbye. I said hi everybody. So we're back at the apartment. Oh wait, I just vlogged just now for the haul. So yeah, we already showered. We ate a little bit. And we need to sleep. Actually we should have slept earlier, but we need to sleep now because we are going to... Where are we going, Mimi?
Canada.
We're going to Mount Bola tomorrow. So it's going to be freezing. What was the temperature again?
Highest 2, lowest -12.
So it's between 2 to -12. Yeah, it's lowest will be -12. So, but I hope it's just sunny and it's not windy tomorrow. Because I know wind's like my biggest enemy in this cold weather. So, yeah, we have to wake up at 4 tomorrow. And then we have to leave at 6. And then it's a 3-hour drive, so we'll probably be there at 9 plus. So yeah. And then on the way we're probably gonna get like, I hope we get plasters because look at my fingers. Like, oh my god. Yeah, I have a few deep cuts on my fingers. I can't do anything now. So Mimi has to do most of the things for me, like wash my hands and everything. So yeah, just to feed me because I can't use my right hand. So yeah, how do you feel? How do you feel about feeding me and doing stuff for me now that I'm handicapped? Oh, anyway, we gotta go sleep now, so we thought we could end the vlog on a proper note because we haven't been ending the vlogs properly.
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah, but because I'm the one that's gonna edit all this, so it's yeah.
True.
So yeah, we're gonna go sleep now. Night. We'll see you tomorrow at like 6 a.m. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.